That damn moist. Jesus. Alright, so boom, check it out, y'all. So today we finna be doing a little dessert, you know what I'm saying? So if you got a sweet tooth, this gonna be perfect for you. We doing an Oreo Biscoff Pound cake. It's a perfect medley. We got Oreo crumble on the top. We got cookie butter swirls in the middle. It's a whole little vibe, all right? But if you're trying to follow along with the recipe, head to the description box below. All the ingredients will be listed there. And then while you're down there, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can keep up with all the recipes coming. All right, let's get to it.
I do my thing in the kitchen. My name is Cord, I'm for the culture, and I'm here with a vision. We here to talk, chop it up. They say the odds are stacked against us. We ain't seen that bet. And the things we do in kitchens, y'all ain't seen that shit. Yes, Lord, let me talk. Listen, man, we here for a good time, not a long time. Matter of fact, we here for a great time. You now turned into Kitchen Culture Podcast.
First, we're gonna get you 8 ounces of some cream cheese at room temp, and then also we're gonna get a stick of butter at room temp. This is unsalted butter, by the way. So go ahead and drop that in to your bowl. Then about half a cup of some sour cream. What we about to do is cream these together, or in other words, we're gonna make sure these all become one solution, all right? So do this at about like a medium speed for about 2 to 3 minutes. All right, so at this point, this is what you should be looking like, all right? All right, then we're gonna gradually add in 2 cups of Caucasian sugar. So just start a little bit by bit, and then we're just gonna let that, we're gonna add that into this mixture, okay? Right now we're on about like a medium speed. All right, then we're gonna add in 3 eggs, one at a time. So if you're following along, this is what it should look like at this point, all right? So we got 2.5 cups of cake flour. We're gonna gradually add this into our mixture, all right? Also, scrape down the sides to make sure you get all of that flour in there too. Don't leave none of that batter behind. Don't leave nothing behind. See what we're talking about? Y'all. And if you're judging on the other side of the screen, I don't care. I really don't, because don't lie and say you ain't never did that before. But no, honestly, you're not really supposed to do that with cake batter or like cookie dough. But had to make sure it was right though. So yeah, you take your mixing bowl off the stand, and then go ahead. I'm gonna add in a cup of some buttermilk. We're gonna get 2 teaspoons of some baking powder. So you get you about half a sleeve to a sleeve of some Oreo cookies. Just go ahead and crush them up by hand. So then we're just gonna fold everything in together, all right? All right, so we're gonna melt down some Biscoff cookie butter because that's gonna go in the layers in between this cake, all right? Whether you're using 9-inch round pans or bundt pan, make sure you spray it down first. All right, so go ahead and spray your bundt pan down. So this is some Pam. It already has the flour in it, because otherwise you'll need cooking spray plus flour. Ain't nothing worse than a cake that won't come out easily. All right, so now we're gonna take some of this cake mixture, get it around evenly, okay? And we're gonna make this in layers. All right, take that cookie butter that we melted down and then just drizzle it around. Okay, so now just to make this look kind of pretty, you know, we're gonna go ahead and use a fork, make little swirls, okay? It'll kind of give you a nice little marbled look. All right, so we're gonna do this in layers. So this is our second layer right here. Do more swirls. Now we're gonna throw this in the oven at 350 for about 50 minutes to an hour, just depending on your oven. Another way you can check that it's done, hit it with a toothpick, and if it come out clean, you know it's ready. We'll get to that in a few though. All right, so the cake is done, right? Just wanna make sure, test it real quick. So you got your toothpick. Go ahead, put it down in there. Once it comes out clean, that's how you know it's ready. So we're gonna let this cool down for about 15, 20 minutes before we prop this out. All right, so to make the ice, it's real simple, y'all. So we're gonna get 8 ounces of some room temperature cream cheese. Add that on in. And we're gonna slowly add in 2.5 cups of some powdered sugar. And just slowly add this in. Now just add in some buttermilk, or you get some regular milk, just to kind of smooth this out some. All right, lastly, add in a little vanilla extract. Let me tell you, this is my cookbook kitchen culture, the best big bag cookbook on the market. So we got 90 recipes in here. It is not all big bag recipes. It's like 3 vegetable recipes in here. So I mean, it's something for a little bit of everybody. Cocktails, desserts. So let me just show you real quick. All right. So garlic parmesan lobster bites. You know, you mean strawberry henna colada if you're trying to get lit on the weekend or in the middle of the week, whatever works for you. You know what I mean? Tomato basil soup. The possibilities are endless. Bourbon baked beans. So if you ain't already, grab you a copy. The link will be in the description box below. So we're finna take this out the pan, so just tap it all around. Boom. Line that thing up. Turn it over. And it should just lift out. Ooh. And look good as hell. All right, so now, all you gotta do to go ahead and frost this cake, the icing that we made, just simply pour it around. It's gonna fall into place where it needs to. Just simply move your hand. All right, so we're just gonna decorate this, all right? So go ahead and top it off with those crushed Oreo pieces. Oh, that feel like kind of good now. Okay.
I'm crazy with Oreo. All right, guy. Now you want to do the same thing? All right, do first. I do. I mean, low key, actually.
Before.
That's.
Ooh. 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 I can't even get it. That's fire right there. Ooh, yes, Lord. All right, so first things first, we're gonna go ahead and, all right, so we got a pack, no. All right, so we got 8 ounces of some full fat, so we got a stick of some room temperature and, so we got a stick of room temperature butter and a stick, god damn, my brain ain't caught up to my mouth yet. Shit. Turn it off real quick. Hold on, let me get some more drink. All right, so then we're gonna, and then we're gonna add in. All right, so then we're gonna gradually. All right, there we go. I feel like my face is doing something weird. All right, so then we're gonna gradually add in 2 cups of some. God damn it! What the fuck? Then we're gonna gradually add in 2 cups of some Caucasian sugar. Cups of some Caucasian sugar. Is that a tongue twister? Like 2 cups of some sock. It's 2 cups. Say that 3 times fast. No. See, but even you stuttering.
But the song just shouldn't be in there. 2 cups of Caucasian sugar, man.
You know what?
Caucasian sugar.
This is why you need extra people to help.
Or
you.
2.
What the fuck? All right. Wow.
Yes, Lord, let me talk. You tuned into the Chef Core in the kitchen. We here for a good time, not a long time. Matter of fact, we here for a great time. Yes, Lord, let me talk.